Once upon a time, a little girl wore a bright red cloak. Everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother said, "Take this basket of goodies to Grandma."
How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI. But how, why, and what? Well, let me tell you, as you know, I am the master of finding new niches. And yes, I have found the new perfect YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels niche. It is called the AI fairy tale niche. So you want to hop on this new exiting niche before anyone else and gain all the subscribers, views, and money in the world? Well, you are in luck, because, hey there! And how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own AI fairy tale shorts and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, we are going to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to create a channel that illustrates and tells famous fairy tales. Please help me create my first video. Give me the narration script, no longer than 1 minute to read out loud. And also give me image prompts so I can illustrate the entire story with my AI image generator. Do not limit yourself to only 10 image prompts. I really need to be able to illustrate the entire story. And no worries, all the prompts will be in the description. Okay, that is just perfect. Just what we need. Now we are going to use 11 Labs, an amazing free-to-use AI text-to-speech generator to bring the script to life. Go to Voices and then to Library to access the resourceful voice library. You can use the search filters and the search bar to find the perfect narrator for your fairy tale shorts. I will pick Benjamin from the narrative and story filter. Click on Add and then on Use. Now we are here in the text-to-speech section, and we only need to paste the script from ChatGPT here. Now press Generate.
Once upon a time, a little girl wore a bright red cloak.
Okay, that sounds perfect. Let's download it. Next up, we are going to bring the image prompts ChatGPT provided us to life. So copy an image prompt, and then we go to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator. The best option out there, where you get daily 150 credits. So just paste the prompt, and now on the left, make sure to set the dimension to 9x16, so it will be vertical. And then press Generate. Now, the generation will take around 30 seconds. That looks amazing. Let's generate the rest. And you know what? Since I have a Midjourney subscription, I will generate the rest of the images there. Okay, now I will upscale a lot of images and download them. You are always better off having a surplus of images rather than too little. Now the fastest way to download these images is to actually use the online Midjourney website itself. Now we are going to use CapCut as our video editing software, so open a new project there. Now we are going to add the 11 Labs audio to the project. And cut out the very long pauses like this. Okay, nice. Now we are going to add the images in there. Now let's set the aspect ratio to 9x16, so it will be vertical. And now you have to rearrange and resize and adjust them according to the script. So yeah, put them in the right chronological order, and if needed, you can always generate more images if you come short. Now, we are going to bring the images to life. Go to Effects and go to the Video Effects. Go to Motion and now drag the 3D zoom effects onto the images. The processing takes some time and it will look super cool. As an extra touch, you can also consider going to animation and add a nice combo animation to seal the deal. Okay. Now we are going to add the background music. You can easily find that in the YouTube audio library. Just use the search bar or the different filters. I will search for some fairy music. Now add it to CapCut and adjust the volume and size. Now go to Captions and generate the captions. Now go to Template and choose a nice caption template. Okay, perfect. Now you could consider adding your watermark like this. Now go to stickers and look for this like subscribe sticker and add it toward the end of the video to get some extra likes and subscribers. As a final touch, add some filters to make the video look more professional. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own AI fairy tale shorts and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Once upon a time, a little girl wore a bright red cloak. Everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother said, "Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, but stay on the path and don't talk to strangers." Little Red Riding Hood set off cheerfully. In the woods, she met a sly wolf who asked, "Where are you going?" She innocently replied, "To Grandma's house." The wolf raced ahead, reached Grandma's house and locked her in the closet. Disguised as Grandma, the wolf lay in bed. When Little Red arrived, she noticed, "Grandma, what big eyes you have." "The better to see you with," the wolf said. "What big teeth you have." "The better to eat you with," cried the wolf. leaping out of bed. But just then, a brave woodcutter burst in, scaring the wolf away. Little Red and Grandma hugged tightly, safe once more, and they all lived happily ever after.